These marinated olives are so easy to make and super yummy served with cocktails. You'll need Meyer lemons, olives, garlic, fresh herbs, extra virgin olive oil, and dried chilies. Use a vegetable peeler to remove big pieces of zest from a Meyer lemon. Now, if you can't find Meyer lemons, no big deal. Just use a regular lemon plus a small orange or a clementine to mimic the flavor. Then roughly chop or tear a few fresh herbs. I'm using rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves, but you can just use one of those or all three if you feel like it. Smash and peel 2 cloves of garlic and then break open the dried chili. You can also use a pinch of chili flakes, or if you're opposed to spice, just leave it out altogether. Add the ingredients to a saucepan, cover with olive oil, cook over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes to allow the aromatics to infuse. Then remove it from the heat, add the olives, and then squeeze in the juice from 1 or 2 Meyer lemons. Give the olives a good stir and then let them hang out for a few hours so they can soak up all of the flavor. Serve them at room temp, and then don't forget to put out a little bowl for the pits.